This is an old ceramic tea kettle which I have been used for my garden as a planter. And see this one. This is a ceramic vase and I have used in my garden. And there are many more ceramic planters, coffee mugs, and this is a glass water jar which we've used in the past and now no more usage, so I used it for my planters. So likewise I have used many coffee mugs, old ones, in my garden. DIY planters idea. So today I will be sharing with you the suggestions for these coffee mug planters. What are the plants that are ideal for coffee mugs? What are the plants that you can easily grow and easily fit into coffee mugs? Beautiful indoor plants that you can really very easy to manage and maintain. So let's see what are the plants that will be really very beautiful looking in coffee mug planters. When you get your coffee mug old and replace it, use the old one for garden. When gardening, we need many more planters. So coffee mug idea is ideal for indoor plants. So first I will show you this coffee mug planter, and this is one of the spider plants that I have put. They are really very easy to grow, and also these plants are low maintenance when you keep them inside your home. Spider plants are shade loving plants so that you can maintain them easily inside your home. So this is best for the coffee mug. Next plant that suits into coffee mug is the Sansevieria. These Sansevieria plants also low maintenance and also prefers the semi-shade, partial sunlight, so you can keep it in your living room and no need to water on regular basis. So these are very low maintenance plants, and also you don't need to put any fertilizers or regularly. So these plants are very easy to maintain, easy to care. So these are ideal for coffee mugs. Beautiful money pothos. Money pothos plants also ideal for small planters because they are really very beautiful and attractive. Try putting some neon pothos and also some golden pothos into these planters. Always try to mix some golden pothos and neon pothos together so that you will see a beautiful color combination. So these plants are ideal for these coffee mugs. Now you can see I have 3 mugs of pothos plants, and these planters are really very attractive. They are green and beautiful look, and this is ideal for a living room, or you can keep it in a bedroom because they are air purifiers as well. Next best indoor plant is this Coleus plant. They also prefers the semi-shade, so I have put it in this coffee mug. These planters are always having the well-draining soil, and also I have put drainage holes in these. So these are very easy to maintain plants. You can keep them indoors since these plants also prefers the semi-shade, not the bright sunlight. So very easy to maintain. Here I have this beautiful Syngonium plant. Their leaves also really very colorful and beautiful. I keep them indoors because this is the best indoor plants and also an air purification and easy to maintain. Next I have this snowflake plant, and it is also in a coffee mug with a small drainage. So if you like to watch more videos how to take care and how to care for these plants, watch them in my channel. I will put the links in the description. So these plants are ideal for coffee mugs. Very recently I had this mini rubber plant, a stem of rubber plant which was rooting well, and that is in this coffee mug as well. And very recently I had these beautiful flowers. Look at them. And they are also growing in a coffee mugs. They are not growing that tall, so I can manage them in the coffee mug. Very recently I had this basil plant and the ivy plant. They are still so small, and but they are with good roots. But I put them in these coffee mugs because I want to keep them indoors. Basil is a wonderful herb and also very aromatic, and this ivy plant I find it a bit difficult with the weather conditions, so I'm trying my best to survive this plant. It is very small, and because it prefers the high humidity but not the bright sunlight, so that is also ideal for indoors. But not the least, I have this lucky bamboo as an indoor plant. It is not in a ceramic mug, but it is in a glass bottle which was cracked from the bottom, so I used it as a planter. And I put this lucky bamboo because this is also kind of taller than the coffee mugs, so that is how I use DIY planters in my garden. No matter of how many planters we have, no matter of many expensive vases we have, we find it less when it comes to gardening. We need more and more because we multiply plants and we bring some of the plants from the nurseries, so we need planters always. So making beautiful DIY ideas can save money and your time, so that you don't have to visit the nursery again and again. Use whatever the stuff that are available at home for your garden.